Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Scoop 1/2 cup curd into a bowl and stir in 1 tablespoon lemon juice until smooth. Apply directly to the scalp in sections, massaging gently for 2 to 3 minutes so the lactic acid and citric acid begin to loosen flakes. Make sure to avoid raw wounds. If you feel stinging, rinse. Once done, leave the mixture on the scalp for 20 to 30 minutes so the curd soothes and the lemon helps break down excess oil and dead skin. Once the leave-on time is complete, rinse with lukewarm water while gently massaging to lift softened flakes. Do not scrub hard. If necessary, use a gentle sulfate-free shampoo to remove residue and balance oils and make sure to rinse thoroughly. Repeat this treatment 1 to 2 times per week, monitoring how your scalp reacts. Consistency matters more than frequency. If your scalp improves, taper to once weekly. If flakes persist, consider adjusting lemon amount or pausing for skin recovery. After rinsing, pat your scalp dry with a soft towel and allow it to air dry briefly before styling. This prevents friction that can flare flakes. Follow with a light oil or leave-in serum on areas that feel tight to restore moisture. If you notice redness, burning, or increased flaking, stop using lemon immediately and switch to plain curd for 1 week to soothe the scalp. If problems persist, consult a dermatologist for tailored advice. This tip helps avoid worsening a sensitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.